We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and we're looking at a used 2020 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S. This one is in Barracuda Silver, has the 114 cubic inch engine. It's got crash protection, front and rear. Also is equipped with ABS. We have the HDMC foot pegs. There's that rear crash protection. Vans grips. Higher handlebars. And of course the S&S exhaust. We run on a fob, so we are keyless. And miles are 2,920. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open 6 days a week for test rides.